Salamat po talaga sa aking mga FB friends at sa kayong mga followers sa aking live video coverage. Salamat po talaga sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hindi ako nakapag-live ngayong umaga at sa kagabi dahil ang busy talaga sa aming evaluation, school evaluation, yung mga forms namin, yung mga lesson plans namin, yung aming office. Gaano ka linis ang aming office, kaya nga I am very sorry I wasn't able to have my live video coverage last night and today. And again, I would like to invite everyone to watch my live video coverage this coming Saturday. I have my Mathenyo and may pajikas ako, yung mga winners. Yun lang, pang entertainment lang, maliit lang. At saka this coming Sunday, I have my live video coverage with my mini concert of Kalandra Kasiturban Ayuban 2023 all the way from Sunnybrook, Alicia Bohol with my Harana Sunday Special, and of course my two singers, Manong Diong 83 years old and Agaw Iping 64 years old. So you are invited to watch out of these two programs. Thank you very much and then for watching, and I hope you will be following my two lives. Saturday 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and on Sunday will be at exactly 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye bye.